Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to save Wix website as HTML. So as you can see, we're currently onto the editing page already onto our Wix website. So you need to log in first and then open the site that you want to export to. So actually, Wix doesn't let you export HTML codes to external services, or you cannot do this one in a straightforward process. So to migrate this to another platform, you need to have a reliable hosting or provider, and then you need to transfer the domain name of your website to the selected hosting. So for you to be able to do this, what you could actually do to export this is actually hire a professional. So as you can see, if you click onto this, you'll get matched with a web professional so that you could go ahead and try to get help onto how you could export or save your website on an HTML file. But aside from that, you could actually go ahead and try to add in some HTML code onto your Wix website by adding an element in here. Click onto that and then just embed a code, and then you should be able to see HTML in here. So you could actually do that, add in widget or apps or design in your site using an HTML code. But for you to be able to export this, you need to hire a professional so that you can successfully do that. So you'll just have to click on to get matched so that you could go ahead and proceed. Once you have already clicked on to get started, you'll just need to choose what the professional can do for you, and that is site migration, so that you could go ahead and fully transfer your site to an HTML website. So click onto that, click onto next, and just following the prompts to go ahead and export your Wix website to HTML. And if you think you have found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.